Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix no internet connection even though that you're connected to Wi-Fi on your iPhone. So this is quietly happening for most of the users and I'm going to address this issue. So what you need to do is, if you're having the trouble with this one, the first and foremost step what you need to do is you have to go over here in the settings. Now from here I have to select the Wi-Fi over here. And right now you can see this is a Wi-Fi in which I have connected, but it says I'm having no internet connection. If you're facing this trouble, the first thing is all about you have to go over here, over to the Wi-Fi that you connect. You can see there is an eye icon. Just tap on that eye icon over here. And there is an option called forget this network. Just go for the forget network. And after doing the forget network, you have to try connect back to the Wi-Fi manually once again by giving the password. Then you have to check. Sometimes that might fix. If that is not working, what you need to do is the next one. Like I said, it's all related to the internet, so it's always a good practice. What you need to do is just go to the control center over here. Try turning on the airplane mode. Now just wait for a little bit of time. Now when the airplane mode is activated, just wait for 10 seconds. Now you have to turn it off. It's kind of giving a fresh refresh for the network and you have to check. Still, if you're having the trouble with this, what you need to do is we have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down to the general. From here we have to scroll it down all the way down and tap on the VPN and device management. From here go forward. If you're connected to any VPN, that is also reason. So if you're already in the VPN, just disconnect the VPN. Then you have to check. Still, if it's not working, then you can try one of the step is all about we have to do a forced restart on your iPhone. So to do a forced restart, you have to press the volume up followed by the volume down. Just press and hold the power button over here unless and until you see the Apple logo. Make sure that you do it all in an instant of time. Right? So let me demonstrate you that. Let me press the volume up followed by volume down and keep pressing the power button over there. So the first thing, the screen will appear, completely go black. Just keep pressing over there. Now as you can see, when you see the Apple logo over there, just release the hand from the power button, the finger from the power button. Right now it's going to do a forced restart. Sometimes like I always used to say, forced restart is actually a kind of a fix for all kind of things. So you can try with the forced restart and most probably that's going to help in all the time. Just wait. So this is going to take a little bit of time. And once you get into this, you have to use the passcode. Just get into your iPhone and go to the settings over here and check whether you're having the Wi-Fi, even though it's connected, you're getting the internet connection. Still, if you're having the trouble, the one solution you can try is all about we have to go over here in the settings. Now from here, when you get into the settings, you have to just scroll it down to the general. From here, you have to scroll it down all the way down, go to the transfer or reset iPhone, go to the reset and try for reset network settings. It won't delete any of your data. What it's going to do is it's just going to refresh everything and you'll be losing the Wi-Fi password and all those things, but it won't delete data. Just reset network settings. After trying the reset network settings, still if you have the trouble, you can also go for reset all settings as well. It also won't delete out of any of your data, but it's going to resetting the screen layout, widgets and all those things, but rest everything will be there. Just do both these two things from here and afterwards you have to check. The issue will be completely fixed. That's what it is, and I hope this cake video is helpful. That's it. Bye.